In this week's quick tip, we share a quick and easy way to toggle dark mode in macOS via the menu bar or via a handy keyboard shortcut. Check it out right now.
Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Mac. Be sure to thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. How's it going, ladies and gents? This is Jeff Benjamin with 9 to 5 Mac. It is Tuesday, so we have a new tip for you guys. Today's tip is all about dark mode on macOS. So you can see I have this application called Nightfall. This is a free open source application. You can download it from the link in the description on GitHub. Shout out to Ryan Thompson for developing this handy little utility. So you can see it's running in the menu bar. You have an icon for it. That is Nightfall. When you click Nightfall, you're going to have to enable the permissions, kind of jump through a few hoops there initially. One of the permissions that the app requests is for screen recording permissions. I know that sounds a little hairy. You don't actually have to give the app permission to access screen recording. It doesn't actually record your screen, by the way. But this permission gives the utility the ability to use transitions. So transitioning between dark mode and light mode to dark mode, instead of being this abrupt jump between the two. So you can see when I click the menu bar icon, notice how that smooth transition moves from light mode to dark mode and vice versa. It's really cool and similar to the effect you get when you enable dark mode in system preferences. Now, if you go into Nightfall's preferences, you'll find the ability to customize the transition. So you can customize the delay seconds and also customize the duration of the transition. And again, you can only use that if you have that screen recording permission enabled. So if I uncheck that, here's what the transition looks like. There is none. It's just an abrupt jump between light and dark mode. It's going to give you the quickest way to get between light and dark mode. So some people will like this, others won't. I personally prefer to have the transition there, but the cool thing is it's up to you. You can customize it. You can add a longer delay, a longer duration for the transition if you choose to do so as well. So some other options you'll find: startup upon login. Of course, you want to have that enabled if you like this utility. Check for updates. And here at the bottom, something very important, the ability to assign a global keyboard shortcut. And that's what we're going to do right now. So in System Preferences, under Keyboard, you want to go to Shortcuts, select Services, scroll all the way to the bottom, and there you go, toggle dark mode. So you see that service not enabled yet. We just checked the little checkbox, but you can see it's using Control, Option, Command, plus T. And of course you can customize that shortcut if you choose to do so. So we have it enabled. So this service is accessible from any application. In fact, if you go up to the menu bar, select Services, you're going to see there, toggle dark mode. So there we go. So now we're just going to use that keyboard shortcut. First of all, let me open up a Finder window so we can see it in action. And now, hold Control, Option, Command, press the T key, and there you go. Transitioning between dark mode and light mode with the handy keyboard shortcut. So that is what Nightfall allows you to do. Not only access dark mode from the menu bar with one click, but also access it via a keyboard shortcut. Special shout out again to Ryan Thompson for developing this cool application. It's called Nightfall. You can download it from GitHub, and you'll find a link down below in the description. So what do you guys think? Do you think this will be a handy utility? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know down below in the comments section. If you appreciate these tips, if you want more tips, please leave a thumbs up to let me know. This is Jeff Benjamin with 9 to 5 Mac.